watch it.
I know they want the recipe, baby, don't kiss and tell. I got me some diamonds that glitter, they paint in the picture, I know you can tell. Popping you out, you can't fit in the frame. Your energy weak, I will paint in the same. Dropping the bracks in the studio, afterwards, nigga, we jacking your loot. Push over them niggas like dominoes, pull out your gun and my nigga, you shoot. Yeah, I do what I want cause I'm making the rules. I do what I want cause I'm breaking the rules. So you do what you wanna do. I'ma do what I'm designed to do. Yeah, I think I'm way too conceited. I let her give me some time. Afterwards, worship my semen. Oh baby, them other niggas sold you lies. All a nigga wanted was the text, was between your thighs. Yeah, I think I'm way too conceited. I let her give me some time. Afterwards, worship my semen. Oh baby, them other niggas sold you lies. All a nigga wanted was the text, was between your thighs.
I know they want me to die, but I'm staying alive. I shifted my focus, I'm putting my eyes on the prize. Once I make it to the top, I'm taking my guys. I'm so misunderstood, I don't even.
They say that it's lonely at the top, I don't know. Plus I never been, I never seen, so I don't know. Just give it a little time, cause you know a nigga on his grind. They say that it's lonely at the top, I don't know. Plus I never been, I never seen, so I don't know. Just give it a little time, cause you know a nigga on his grind. Top of the pediment, the view is amazing, baby. I heard you have been sent, I won't abuse you, baby. All of the work that I put in, they still gon' resent. I represent the typical artist that's stuck in the studio trying to repent, or maybe just vent. Right into the mic, knowing that it's gonna capture my very intent. But I ain't finna lie, there be some times that I don't be feeling content. Doubting myself, what is the reason that I don't be looking for help? I'm trying to impress all of them niggas who say that I did it myself. Yet still I don't know if all the work that I put in gon' really bring some dough. And all those records I ain't cut held me back some more. I guess I'll never know. That's some shit I'm tryna let go. They say that it's lonely at the top, I don't know. Plus I never been, I never seen, so I don't know. Just give it a little time, cause you know a nigga on his grind. They say that it's lonely at the top, I don't know. Plus I never been, I never seen, so I don't know. Just give it a little time, cause you know a nigga on his grind. They heard me on multiple records, applying the pressure, I shine like a diamond. That's flawless of course, brilliant cut, find me somewhere on the island. Just catching the breeze, tequila, vanilla, my drink, lemon and shrimp. I tested positive for getting the money, I think I got money disease. And I'm blind to the cure, but got me a preference for women that's only mature. I'ma grind till I'm on top of the world, I ain't taking no detour. So is he gon' bank on me? Ride out till the tank on E. Oh, I want it all, treat me like VIP. Yeah, they know my name, I don't need no ID. I'm ill with the raps, I ain't need no degree. Won't you agree? Don't fuck around, I'ma sting like a bee. I heard the money was calling me for the second time. I missed it the first time, I had to go back around. Picture perfect, now I got them bands on me, them dollar signs, I'm worth like every dime. I heard the money was calling me for the second time. I missed it the first time, I had to go back around. Picture perfect, now I got them bands on me, them dollar signs, I'm worth like every dime. I heard the money was calling me, I feel so infatuated. You know that I pick up the line, you know that I ran up the minutes and I still be pressed for time. I'm watching the hands on the clock tick, me and the currency toxic, yeah. I need me a money counter, racks upon racks and they loving my conversation. I walk in the building like what's good, my diamonds they dance like an animation. White pre, most of them niggas don't like me. You gon' get popped like it's acne. Fuck on your girl in a taxi, she nasty. What they gon' do for the love of money? I just stay true to the dollar bill. She on my dick, everything is funny. I think she offer a Molly pill. I think her ass in the titties is real. I know she chasing the thrill. I think she knew what I wanted. I was just making a kill. I ain't finna waste your time, so don't play with I heard the money was calling me for the second time. I missed it the first time, I had to go back around. Picture perfect, now I got them bands on me, them dollar signs, I'm worth like every dime. I heard the money was calling me for the second time. I missed it the first time, I had to go back around. Picture perfect, now I got them bands on me, them dollar signs, I'm worth like every dime. Give me the dollar sign, please don't blow my eye. I'm in the battle tryna kill some time. They tryna rob my way. Lately I've been in my ear. You can bury all my riches in my grave, cause they gon' see me floss in the afterlife. Ice on the teeth of my apparition. Clear with a stick like a tactician. It's my religion. Ice on me like the polar kind. Diamonds flash like the solar shine. So divine. All of y'all niggas is shook. Most of y'all feline. Caller ID said the money calling. I think the dollar foreign. Now ain't the time for stalling. I dream of the racks in my sleep. Mineral rocks in the face of the watch, and it's a paddock for lead. I know they know this in me. Keep to the faith like a rosary. Yeah, and if the money wanna talk, I'ma let it talk. I heard the money was calling me for the second time. I missed it the first time, I had to go back around. Picture perfect, now I got them bands on me, them dollar signs, I'm worth like every dime. I heard the money was calling me for the second time. I missed it the first time, I had to go back around. Picture perfect, now I got them bands on me, them dollar signs, I'm worth like every dime.
Stuck in the 9 to 5, the money's high, but what's in my head is a basic shit got me bustin' with appetite. Yeah, roll it up, hold it up, just feels like my mental is racing, how do I face it?
I'm stuck, was trying to maneuver, but I realize I'm out of luck. I ain't giving out no more chances, I stuck out my hand, I was dangling. I'm stuck, was trying to maneuver, but I realize I'm out of luck. I ain't giving out no more chances, I stuck out my hand, I was dangling. Tossed my whole bank account into the wishing well, hoping it wish me well. I had a bank on myself, I ain't know nobody else, but I just put in the work, invested the time. That's why no bullshit ain't gon' slide with me. Now I got all of them eyes on me, give me my privacy. I'm stuck in a box, no escaping my demons, they so revealing, and I cannot conceal them, lest I deal on my own. What I'm saying, my situation getting better. I done seen darker days, I done been under the weather. Now it's my time to shine, I ain't gon' lie and feel this much alive. But I'm stuck, Was trying to maneuver, but I realized I'm out of luck. I ain't giving out no more chances. I stuck out my hand, I was dangling. I'm stuck. Was trying to maneuver, but I realized I'm out of luck. I ain't giving out no more chances. I stuck out my hand, I was dangling. Dangling off of the edge of the cliff of my thoughts. I'm thinking like, if I do slip, what's gonna cushion the fall? I don't even really got a plan B. I don't even think they understand me. I know they don't see the way I see. Why tread a little lightly? I'm stuck in a cycle of negative thinking. I think it's just trying to control me. I just can't settle for anything. My old paradigm rejected me. Carefully venting my soul out on everything readily. They can't compare to me. I'ma just see how y'all fall off. Me, I'ma live for eternity. But I'm stuck. Was trying to maneuver, but I realized I'm out of luck. I ain't giving out no more chances. I stuck out my hand, I was dangling. I'm stuck. Was trying to maneuver, but I realized I'm out of luck. I ain't giving out no more chances. I stuck out my hand, I was dangling.
The chemistry.